All right, check this shit out. So I'm going to redo this garbage disposal because it's seized up. We're not going to turn it on because I already have it disconnected here. But the first thing that I noticed is that these were holding this around this much, around that much, this much wire around that much copper. So that's fun. All right, take a look at that. That's my bit. Inside the garbage disposal is attached to a, center nut that keeps the top plate that holds on the grinders, keeps that in place. And it's also the central point where the motor spins. So we're gonna see how seized up it is, and I'm gonna use my screwdriver and I'm gonna put it in there, and we're gonna see if we can turn it. Nope. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Hey, we got somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay, all right. She's free. She's free, boys. I think we fucking got her. I think we fucking got her. Now let's just try to wiggle this free and cheat her right out of there. So I gotta reach my fucking hand down in there. Oh, fuck. Well, looks like I gotta reach my hand down in there. All right, moment of truth. All right, it works. Sounds like it works to me. All right. Fuck you, Xmas, for breaking it.